Question: C++ program to find area and circumference of a circle. How to find area of a circle? Equation is area is equal to pi r square. How to find circumference of a circle? Equation is circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now we can convert this into programming concept. Area is equal to pi into r into r. So we have to define pi before, because pi is a constant value. So I have defined pi as 3.141. Same as that, I have converted the equation of circumference into programming concept. Circum is equal to 2 into pi into r. I have made circumference short to circum because that is convenient to use. Here pi is already defined as 3.141. So input is r. We have to input value for r. We have to calculate value of area and circum, and we have to output area and circumference. So we have to declare variables r, area and circum. Now we can write the program. So we are declaring r, that is radius, area, circum, that is circumference, as floating point values. So I have declared as float, r, area and circum. Now we can give some instruction to the user to enter radius. We can accept value for r. We are using cin command to input value for r. Area is calculated as area is equal to pi into r into r. So pi should be defined before it is used. So I have defined pi as 3.141. So how to define? Hash define space pi space 3.141. After that we have to calculate circumference. Circumference is calculated as circum is equal to 2 into pi into r. Now we can display value of area. Cout area of circle is equal to area. Area of circle is equal to is enclosed within double quotes because that should be printed as it is. Area is a variable. The value of variable should be printed so that area is not enclosed within double quotes. Same as that, we have to print the value of circum also. So I have written the command as cout end l circumference of circle circum. So I have used end l. End l stands for end of the line. So area of circle should be printed on a line. Circumference of circle should be printed on the next line. So that before circumference of circle I have given end l. If you want to execute the program on Turbo C++, you have to make these changes. Include conio.h, add clr scr and getch. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.